Good morning, team, and welcome back from spring break. I've really missed you. What I'm showing you right now is I'm doing something called Screencast-O-Matic, which allows me to show you my screen and move around on it while I'm teaching you how to use it. And we're going to be doing this. This is how I'm going to be presenting a lot of our lessons. And I'll try to have myself in the corner so that you can see me and as well as hear me. So, first of all, every day when you come to school, you're going to be probably going to Seesaw. If you want, you can bypass Seesaw and go directly to Google Classroom. But Google Classroom is where I'm going to be posting your slideshows for you to work on because it's just an easier format for me to give you everything that you need with hot links, etc. So, but if, it will also be linked on Seesaw if that's the way that you want to go in. So every day when you come, there will be a slideshow waiting for you. On this very first day, this is the first slide of your slideshow, and this is where I'm going to post the video that I'm recording right now that will help you navigate. So if you ever forget, you can go back through here and listen. Every day, you're going to do a morning meeting activity, which will either be like a Flipgrid, a Seesaw, a Padlet, a Google Form. And when you complete that, I will know and I will count that as your attendance for the day because we're counting these as school days, so you don't have to make them up in the summer, then I will be recording that you are doing your work and checking in with me every day. So that's super, super important that you do that. Remember, you can contact me any day, Monday through Friday. I will have like what they call office hours from 9 to 11 and 1 to 3 every day. But let's be honest, I'm not going anywhere. So I'll probably be checking in my email if you have questions at other parts of the day as well. Um, but then if you want to like talk to me or chat with me, 9 to 11 and 1 to 3, which I put right here on this first page, would be a great time where you can connect with me. So then if we go to the second slide and I toggle over here, every day there's going to be a little message from me, and then there will be, this is your morning meeting activity where you're going to be able to check in. So today's is a Flipgrid. If I click on there and open it up, this is what it will look like for you. You'll just go ahead and log in with Google. Once you do that, it'll look just like this. Go ahead and click your name and log in, and then it's going to give us like a really fun activity to do for the day. And then all of your responses will be down here, and I'm hoping that we'll all be able to see each other and listen to each other's videos. So that's our way of checking in, and then your little face will be on there, and I'll be like, yay, and I'll mark you as present for the day. So it's kind of like how you used to come into our room and do your lunch account. This is how you will do your attendance right away when you join me every day. The next thing I want to look at is the next slide. So every day I'm going to upload a mystery dog, and I know that we used to do just mystery dog once a week, but I'm going to upload the new mystery dog as well as other mystery dogs that I find really fun for you every day, because who doesn't love a good mystery dog? So then after the mystery dog, you'll go and you'll click into like a reading activity or a math activity. Normally, once we get to our full schedule, I'm going to start with math and then reading and go through the day all the way to social studies like we would on a normal day. However, the district really wants us to slide in really easily. So we're just going to give you like one major thing to be doing each day to start you off this first week so that you don't become overwhelmed. Because really, this is about learning, but it's also about making sure that you're happy and content and that we're taking care of your needs. So we're going to slowly move into it till you become adjusted with how to complete all of the online work, and know that I'm always here for you to help you in any way. So let's look at our first one. So in our reading, we're going to do our last notice and note. So all you'll do is click up in here and it will open the slideshow. It's only going to go to the contrasts and contradictions, and you'll get to watch the videos and think about what that means. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to listen to two different books because they're fun. And then you're going to notice some contrasts and contradictions in them. And then you're going to go ahead and write that in your book a day. And then you're going to go read for your 30 minutes or more. And that will complete your activity for the day. Then if you go to the next slide, this is where our City of Ember will be. So every day I'm going to continue to read your City of Ember chapter. When we're done with City of Ember, if we're still doing distance learning, I'll just roll right into Lemonade War. So every day you'll also have a chapter from a book that we're going to read together. Then these are some fun brain breaks that you can use at any time that you're feeling like, oh, I just need to do something a little different. And look at, I put Mrs. Steffes says break something dance. I'm starting to love these bit emojis. So that's kind of fun. So let's say you're all done, you've completed all the activities, then you're going to go to the checkout. And what you're going to do is these are movable check marks. So you're going to go ahead and just be like, oh, yep, I did my Flipgrid video, and you'll move them over. Whoops, it looks like I have to fix on these to make sure that they're all in the front. But I will move it so that when you move these over, they will come up on top and show. Okay, so that's something I have to fix. But anyway, so you'll check off all of your assignments as you go along by moving these over into the finished category. That way I'll know you have done your work. And then the next day we might do a math activity, and we'll kind of switch it up as we go. If you have any questions about anything as we are going, another way to contact me, let's talk about that. So if you go into these your checkboard up here, that would allow you to go into Gmail. When you click your Gmail button, it'll pop into like where you can get messages, okay? And what over here is going to pop up is how you can chat with people or talk to them. So all you have to do is click this little plus sign right here. And then if you want to do a Google chat with me during my office hours, you just type in my name. So Jennifer Steffes, I will pop up. I don't pop up on my own because obviously I can't chat with myself. But let's say I wanted to talk to Mrs. Volbrecht. I would type in Mrs. Volbrecht, there she is, and I would click on her, and then our question will come up, okay? And a little chat area would come up over here. Another way that you'd be able to chat with me is just hit compose up here in the corner. If you hit compose, then you can just type my name, Jennifer, Jennifer, Steffes, Steffes, and then there I am. You'll see my picture. Click on me, and then you can just say hi and type me a message, and then I can respond to you that way if you'd rather not do the video chat. So either way would be fantastic. I love hearing from you. I love getting pictures from you. Some of you have been asking about menu and stuff like that. I do have some new menu that I'm really excited about that I'm going to share with you as the week goes on. But again, we want to start really slow. Let me know how you're doing. Send me some emails and do your reading and your work, and I'll talk to you soon, team.